Sir, here two parallel lines extend this triangle CDE and triangle CDB. Both they have same area because of same base and same height. So area will be equal between two parallel lines. Here quadrilateral SQ is the diagonal divides two triangles, triangle SRQ and a triangle SPQ. And another triangle is also SQU. Another triangle is also SQU, same area, that of the triangle equal to the SPQ, and another last triangle SRU equal to the same area, quadrilateral. So, because of SRQ is a common part of the quadrilateral and the triangle SRQ. So, quadrilateral SQ is a diagonal, divides two triangles, and SRQ is the equal to the same area quadrilateral, and SQ is the equal to the same area equal to triangle SPQ. Here, basic proportionality theorem, DE parallel to the BC. So, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. And another theorem is also angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem means any angle opposite side are divides. So, angle B is the bisector. So, CE by A equal to AD BC by BA. This is called angle bisector theorem. And Pythagoras theorem. No. And Pythagoras theorem. We imagine the point C, so AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. And another one is also Taylor's theorem. Taylor's theorem means Taylor's theorem named as A, B, C, D and E, F. So Taylor's theorem are also BF by FC and CE by DA and AD by DB. This is called Taylor's. So two parallelograms, parallelogram A, B, C, D and another parallelogram B, C, E, F. These are also same base, same parallel lines, and same height. So area also equal. So area of a parallelogram A, B, C, D equal to the area of a parallelogram B, C, E, F. This is called parallelogram theorem. And another one is we should make two triangles, triangle AOB and AOC, have same height 10 centimeters. So AOB equal to 5 centimeters, AOC equal to 6 centimeters. So calculate the area of a triangle 1 by 2 B into H. So AOB equal to 25 centimeters square and AOC equal to 36 centimeters square. So ratio of the areas 25 is to 36. So 5 is to 6. Ratio of the areas will be equal to the ratio of their bases. Here, here three parallel lines cutting other two lines. So here in this triangle height equal to capital letter B, in this triangle height equal to capital letter A, same height but different bases. In this triangle side equal to small letter B, in this triangle side equal to small letter A. We should make the another triangle. Another triangle is also same. So in this triangle height equal to capital letter B, in this triangle height equal to capital letter Q. So bases are different, small letter B, small letter Q. So show that we capital letter A by B equal to capital letter A by small letter A by B, capital letter P by Q equal to small letter P by Q. So capital letter A equal to capital letter B, capital letter B equal to capital letter Q. So small a by b equal to small p by q, small a by b equal to small p by q. So ratio of the heights equal to the ratio of their bases. And another one is also circle theorem. Circle formed by theorems. Circle formed by theorems. Angle alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorems, the angle between a tangent and chord equal to the angles subtended by the chord. These are also major chords, these are minor chords. This is also alternate segment. This is called alternate segment theorem. And another one is also chord of a circle. Another one is also chord of a circle. Chord is also exactly 90 degrees. This is called chord of a circle. Perpendicular from the center of a circle, exactly 90 degrees. This is called the chord divides two equal parts. This is called chord of a circle. And another one is alternate angle at the same segment. Angle at the same segment, angle C equal to angle because of same segment. Angle A equal to angle D because of same segment. This is called angles in the same segment theorem. Another one is also cyclic quadrilateral. This is also made as angle at the center theorem. Angle at the center theorem is twice. So angle at the circumference. This is called angle at the center theorem. And also angles in a semicircle. Any circle that divides the semicircle exactly 90 degrees. This is called angles in a semicircle. And another one is also tangent of a circle. Tangent of a circle meet at the same point. This is called tangent of a circle. Another one is the cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means The opposite sides of angles of cyclic correlator exactly 90 degrees. So, for example, 30 angle A equal to 30. I subtracted from the 180 value. So, if we calculate it, this is called cyclic correlator. And another one is the speciality of similar triangles. The speciality of similar triangles is side opposite to the equal angles on the same ratio. So, PC by PA equal to PD by PB. PC into PD equal to PA into PB. So, PC square equal to PA into PB. PC equal to root of PA into PB. Use the Tuff theorem. Square root of any natural number, we can use the relation PC equal to root of PA into PB. This is called a very low cost. This is the theorems in geometry. This topic. Thank you.